Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shullamite Akua. If this is your first time watching, hey girl, hey, we're becoming over here. We're becoming the women that God has intended us to be. So join the crew, girl. If you're a returning becomer, hey girl, what new thing have you done to become the woman of your dreams, huh? Okay guys, so today I'm doing a cook with me. I exercised, went to Aldi, did a couple things, and I was only supposed to go to the store and get bananas and strawberries, and that turned into a whole grocery haul. But yeah, so I got a couple things. Anyways, so yeah, I got a couple things. So what we're going to cook today is my mom's cabbage. I love cabbage. If you haven't tried it, try it. It's kind of nice. And we're going to make like a veggie stir-fry stew. It's something. I cook it quite often and I really love it. It's so good. And I make it over a side of basmati rice. So guys, without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Yeah, y'all, so I was gonna go to Kroger and buy some bananas and strawberries to make a fruit bowl. But Kroger said, what? You about to shop here without your card? Girl, we don't do that around here. Kroger is one of the few places that does not take Apple Pay. I'm just like, dang. So Kroger really played me and said, yeah, no, boo, you ain't gonna shop here because we don't do that. We're not poor. I was like, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go to Aldi. My babe. Hi guys, I'm back home. Yeah, so remember when I said, my bad, 1 second guys. Okay, hi guys, I had to transfer y'all to my bigger tripod from my flexible one. It just was not cooperating with me right now. But let me show y'all what I got for my grocery haul. Y'all remember how I said I was gonna go to Aldi and only get bananas and strawberries? Yeah, right. So I got a whole bunch of groceries, and so I figured that I would film a cook with me today because I am slowly but surely starting to enjoy cooking. Holy Spirit really gives me lots of ideas on different dishes to make. And since I'm back on my fitness journey, fitness routine / lifestyle, that has also changed how I eat. Thank God, because I was not eating that good. I wasn't eating horrible, but it could have been better. Now I have a bigger desire to eat a lot more fruits and veggies. So I'm gonna film my cook with me. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna make for my brunch. And then I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to cook for basically my meal prep. Because one thing about me, if I can just cook and have food for a while, that would be great. So I wouldn't have to keep cooking all the time, except for like maybe breakfast here and there. Okay guys, let's get into these groceries. Let me show y'all what I bought. First, jalapenos. Some of this sweet pepper, because I originally was going to get bell peppers because I like to use bell peppers as part of my sauce that I make for my veggies. But when I saw this, I was like, I think this will work. It's like mini peppers. So I'm hoping that it will give my sauce a little bit of a sweet taste. I'm hoping the jalapenos gives my sauce, you know, some spiciness. I usually use habaneros, but they didn't have habaneros, so I'm gonna try jalapenos. Diced tomatoes. Tomato soup. I think this will also be really good as a base for my sauce, along with a little bit of coconut milk. Oh, cabbage. I was watching one of Octavia B's vlogs, and she had made cabbage, and my mom makes cabbage all the time, but I haven't made cabbage since I've been living by myself. And I saw this cabbage and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try this. So I bought some cabbage. I'm going to just saute it and eat it on the side with my other dishes. So that's cabbage. Mini bell peppers. No, this is avocados. Y'all, I don't know what's going on at Aldi's today, but I was shook. All the produce was marked down. It was on sale. I don't know if they do sales on Wednesdays on produce, but y'all, all of this, there's like 6 in here and it was only like 2 something, less than $3 for all this avocados. Y'all know avocados don't be, I find it a little pricey sometimes. Mushrooms. Garbanzo beans, aka chickpeas. Corn. Mixed veggies. Oh my goodness. The infamous strawberries that was the main thing that I went in there for. And some bananas. So yeah, y'all, that is my mini. One second. So yeah, y'all, that is my mini grocery haul. There's Tessa. Tessa, say hi. Say hi. Yeah, y'all, low-key, Tessa's scared of the tripod. So she's staying out of the kitchen while I'm doing all this. But okay, guys, I think I'm gonna alternate between my handheld flexible tripod and then using my big tripod while I'm actually cooking and filming, y'all. Let's do it. First things first, I'm gonna wash my hands. 20 full seconds, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Okay. Y'all, just finished making my post-workout meal, which is a fruit bowl. It's been one of my favorite things to eat lately. Like, I've been so into fruits, which is so unlike me. It ain't right, but I'm getting better. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna finish eating this and then we're gonna hop into the cook with me. Well, we're already in the cook with me. I'm gonna finish this and then we're going to start making the rest of my dishes for lunch and dinner. I'm having it with the side of orange juice. So yummy. It's actually apple juice and orange juice mixed together. Delicious. Cheers. Okay, y'all, so I basically was filming all nice and aesthetic until I realized my phone like stopped recording. So I already put the cabbage in there, it's steaming. I put my concoction, my sauce that I blended up is in there. I pre-prepped everything. That's my veggies: mushroom, corn, tomatoes, peas, carrots, yes, and garbanzo beans, chickpeas. And there's my seasonings. I also, in the sauce, I added coconut milk and better than bouillon. Like when I tell y'all, y'all were on the tripod and I was filming, and then the thing, my phone just completely stopped recording. I just don't even understand. It's been doing that since yesterday, and I am not a happy camper. Even my cabbages, y'all, I had chopped up the cabbages all nice for y'all on my thing, and then I finished chopping most of it until I realized my phone was not recording. I was just like, what is going on? The sauce is spicy. I'm going to let the cabbage continue to steam for a little bit longer, but my stew, stir fry, my veggies are done. But waiting on the cabbage. And I plan on eating this over rice. Rice is done. It looks good, y'all. This was basmati rice. my favorite. Jasmine used to be my favorite rice. Jasmine rice used to be my fave, but basmati lately has been, yeah. But if you want to make it a little bit healthier, quote unquote, you can use brown rice. But my body has a little bit more difficulty digesting brown rice, so I usually just stick to white rice. But to each their own. Okay guys, we have finished. Y'all saw the final results. It tastes as good as it looks. I hope it looks good, but it regardless is yummy. And it's something healthy. It's not too bad. You know, I'm trying to cook a lot more home cooked meals because we're watching our figure over here. We're trying to get the gains, girl. I'm trying to get my legs back right. Okay. But if you've gotten to the end of this video, comment down below what's your go-to meal to cook. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, do one thing to become the woman of your dreams. God bless you. God keep y'all. Thank you. Bye. Love you.